Hi, I'm Ken Leibow from InsurTech Express, and I'm here at the LIMRA Distribution and Marketing Conference in Orlando, Florida. And today we're going to talk about ACORD's standardized life insurance application, which was just approved by the compact states, and now we're trying to get adoption by all the carriers. And with that, I have with me Howard Wolkowitz, who's an actual producer. So, Howard, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Howard Wolkowitz. I am a life insurance sales professional since 1992.
So you know about this standard life insurance application. Matter of fact, you wanted to do one before you even knew ACORD had created one where they utilized the whole industry and got it approved and everything. So tell us why and what's the benefit to you as a producer?
Well, I'm old fashioned. I like to do the right thing for clients. And when a client presents to you and you don't know their health issue, their background, you don't know what's going to show up in their medical records, it's difficult to decide who to send the client to. Yeah. It's difficult to pick a carrier because carriers niche out age, sex, health issues, and it's only experience that you realize who the right carrier is for a client. So what has happened to me often is I apply to a company that I think is the right company, but I don't get the health underwriting that I want. So I apply for preferred, I get a standard, but then I know what the health issue is. So I decide I want to go to another company because I know that company will give me a preferred.
Right.
I have to start again. And it's a very exhausting process because we don't own anything. The client doesn't own anything.
Usually you got to start again because carrier number two has a different set of questions.
And a different application. It's a very exhaustive process. I don't think anybody in the cycle understands what the producer does other than get business. But it's more than getting business.
Right. All right. So, but you would agree that, when we have the part one and part two, whether using electronic app or using forms, and you're working as an independent agent with multiple carriers, it's much easier for you to ask the same questions for each carrier or reuse those answers for the next carrier. As you said, you were shopping it around or you had to change carriers.
Right.
And that's the value of it, whether it's paper or e-app, because it's about the questions. Well, thank you, Howard. I really appreciate you doing this interview. For those that want to learn more about it, there is a webinar that was done on it, and there's a white paper for ACORD standard application, and here's the QR code. And also, here is the contact information to learn more. Thank you.